Hello, hyper-evolutionists. Welcome to Hexagon, the place where science fiction meets reality. Thinking about your long-term academic and career path? Wondering what mix of degrees will actually prepare you for the future? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top degree combinations, powerful sequences of bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs that prepare you for high-impact, high-paying, and future-proof careers. In today's fast-moving world, a single degree often isn't enough. The most forward-thinking students and professionals are stacking their degrees to build deep, layered expertise. They're becoming specialists at the intersection of disciplines, and that's exactly where innovation happens. Let's explore 3 of the most strategic and future-focused degree combinations you can pursue. First up, the Biotech innovation path. Start with a bachelor's degree in biotechnology. This gives you a solid foundation in molecular biology, genetics, microbiology, and cellular engineering. You'll learn how to manipulate biological systems to solve real-world problems, from producing life-saving drugs to engineering disease-resistant crops. Next, add a master's in bioinformatics or computational biology. At this stage, you'll gain the skills to analyze massive data sets using algorithms, statistics, and artificial intelligence. You'll work with genomic sequences, protein structures, and other biological data to understand how genes function and how diseases develop. Then comes the PhD. This is where you specialize. Whether it's genomic medicine, synthetic biology, or gene editing, you'll be pushing the boundaries of science. You might develop CRISPR-based therapies, engineer new synthetic organisms, or design personalized medicine tailored to an individual's DNA. The career opportunities here are massive. You could become a genomic data scientist, a synthetic biologist, a biotech startup founder, or a lead researcher in gene therapy. This combination sets you up to change the future of healthcare, agriculture, and even the human body itself. Next, let's look at the neuroscience and AI path. Start with a bachelor's degree in neuroscience or cognitive science. You'll study how the brain works, from memory and perception to emotion and behavior. You'll understand the biological roots of consciousness, mental health, and how humans process information. Then pursue a master's in artificial intelligence or human-computer interaction. This is where you bridge the brain and technology. You'll learn how to build intelligent systems that interact with humans in natural, adaptive ways. Think emotion-aware machines, brain-sensing devices, and personalized AI therapy tools. At the PhD level, go deep into neurotechnology or computational neuroscience. You might develop brain-computer interfaces that allow people to control devices with their thoughts, or design neural implants that restore vision, memory, or movement. You could even work on digital mind augmentation, enhancing memory, focus, or creativity using technology. This degree combo opens doors in research, tech startups, healthcare innovation, and academia. Imagine building neural prosthetics, developing AI that understands human emotion, or designing mental health tech powered by brain data. It's perfect for those fascinated by the brain and passionate about pushing the limits of human potential through technology. Now let's move to our third combo, the computer science and life sciences path. Start with a bachelor's in computer science. You'll master algorithms, data structures, software development, databases, and systems design. This foundation lets you build scalable platforms, tools, and apps that solve real problems. Then pursue a master's in data science or machine learning. This gives you the skills to work with big data, from health records and clinical trials to genomics and imaging. You'll learn to build models that predict outcomes, automate diagnosis, and optimize medical processes. Finally, go for a PhD in computational biology, digital health, or AI in medicine. This is where you apply your technical skills to real biological and medical challenges. You might build models that simulate how viruses mutate, create software that predicts patient outcomes, or develop AI tools for drug discovery. Career paths here include working at health tech companies, biotech firms, pharmaceutical R&D, or launching your own startup. You could design an app that detects early signs of disease from wearable data, or build a platform that personalizes cancer treatment based on genetics. This combination is perfect for those who love coding but want to make a difference in healthcare and life sciences. So, why do degree combinations matter? Because the problems of the future aren't isolated. They live at the intersections: pandemics, aging populations, climate change. These aren't challenges that one field can solve alone. They require systems thinkers, people who understand both the science and the tech, or the biology and the business. By combining degrees strategically, you're not just expanding your resume, you're building a multidimensional skill set that employers, investors, and research institutions are desperately looking for. You become the rare person who can translate between disciplines, connect insights, and lead innovation. And here's a tip many people overlook. Consider adding a business or policy layer to your technical training. For example, pairing a CS in genomics background with an MBA could prepare you to lead an AI-driven drug discovery company. Adding a public policy degree to a neuroscience and AI combo might set you up to lead ethical tech initiatives in government. If you have a biotech background and study entrepreneurship, you could launch your own personalized medicine startup. Some of the most impactful careers of the future will go to people who are not just smart in science or tech, but who can navigate the worlds of funding, regulation, public communication, and strategic growth. So, what's the best path for you? It depends on your passion and your mission. The best degree combo is the one that aligns with the problem you want to solve. If you want to cure genetic diseases, go the biotech and genomics route. If you want to enhance the human mind, look to neuroscience and AI. If you want to code solutions for medical breakthroughs, pair computer science with life sciences. No matter what path you choose, think long-term. Stack your knowledge intentionally. Design your education like a system, not a silo. Because in the future, it won't be enough to know one thing deeply. You'll need to connect disciplines, translate knowledge, and drive innovation where others can't. That's the power of the right degree combination. And that's how you build a career that matters.